Alright, Mike, what are we doing tonight?
Brand new exhaust, catback, Megan Racing.
Megan Racing.
Yeah,
How much you get it for?
345 shipped.
Damn. Dude, look at that. Megan. Can you see that? Megan Racing.
And I could have
Look at
saved this 345 if I didn't lose my muffler.
Catback exhaust, fully bolt on, 3-inch, right?
3-inch.
What's the tips? Probably like 2.5.
3-inch tip.
3-inch tip
It
each.
claims 3-inch tip, so
Looks nice.
I did not need to spend this money, but
I've bought $700 exhausts all the time, and you know what? This holds up to it. Look at that. Quality, fitment, welds.
easy, right?
Yep, easy install.
We did
Weight,
break a bolt.
no problem.
Alright, let's start it.
First startup.
Ready?
Go ahead. Hey, let it warm up. Why? Check for leaks. Here, Mike, take the camera. I'm gonna check for leaks. Hey, listen, it's all right there. Rev it, don't rev it too hard. Just like rev it a little bit.